It's not gonna be loosened like watery. It's absolutely a thick density. Perfect for your crystal placement. When you do flat backs, you don't need a whole lot. When you're doing your 3D, it's perfect to hold it so it's not runny at all. It's not cell level, so then you won't have to really like struggling with placements on. So I just don't need to use a lot. When you're doing it with the flat backs, you don't need a whole lot. But you don't want to do it little. Also, you want to do it enough. So if you're doing it first time, you feel like it's too much or too little. If you feel it flooded your crystal, it means that you're using a little bit more than you're supposed to. Just take a little bit back. So then you should be fine. I dropped one of this one. Someone using a no wipe top coat. If you are using a matte top coat, you can absolutely apply the matte top coat on and get the matte finish. I am going to using a no wipe top coat. Some fur right there. And floating on the top of the nails. You don't want to like drag the condensed glue gels because it's gonna take all the condensed glue gels away, or it might contaminate the condensed glue gel on the top of the no wipe top coat. So you want to floating in. Hello Tony, how are you? Ooh, I like the mixture. Adela, I like that too. All right, so see what we got in here. There's a lot of fun things here for us to play with. I think I can do more than just one nails with those. And let's see, I'm gonna take some of this out. See what I got in here. Some smaller one.
Yep, they request for a ribbon.
The ribbon?
Like a breast cancer ribbon.
The ribbons, we don't have the colors in this one. We're definitely gonna do that one tomorrow. We can get some. Let me see, hold on. This color is perfect for ribbons. I'm gonna just get the, let's see if I can get into my other containers. See if I can get more pink, so I can make it the ribbons. So let me dress this centerpiece first. Moves it up here. And then I will do the ribbons down here. Hey Serenity. Do it. Hey Laura, how are you? Thank you so much, love. Thank you for tuning in. I'm gonna ask some help if I can get some more pink and my containers on the side right there. Hope you all have a great day today. Ooh, look at this. I can make a ribbons out of the chain too, you know? Look at that. Look at me. I'm trying to get it out from this. I should get it in the tray here. Hold on. What? Do I get a tray?
Oh, you want extra check?
Yeah, can I get a tray? So I can pull it there. Right there. Sorry, you might see me getting all of this on the sides. You see when you get it on the piece of the mat or the paper so you don't scratch your crystal? I do that all the time, but I put it in the piece of really clean paper. So do I have more of this?
Try?
No, and pink. Do we get more pink? Let me fight myself.
Okay.
It's okay. Maybe I see if I can. This one will be good with the smaller crystal. I can try to get this ribbons with the chains.
Ooh. Okay, that should be a little bit easier.
So look, so now if I don't have the shorter ones, if you're watching my video of last time I was taking a challenge of baby milk jars, I'm just using my crystal clipper. I just cut it in half. You see how I cut it in half? Like, so you can do a lot of cool things that you want to do. Even this, if you find yourself with this, and I can use two, definitely cut it in half. There you go. So then you can custom the way you want it. I really want to my beads. Can this Facebook, Instagram see me okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Right there. So we'll see if I'm using this. I try to do a ribbon there. If I have a longer one, let me see if I can find my longer chains. If I don't have it, I can absolutely use this. That's okay.
What?
It looks super pretty right here. You can make your ribbon whole and tie here, or you can make a ribbon right down here. Inanis, thank you so much. So you like the ribbons like this, or I have a different way to create the ribbon using a crystal as well. Oh. There you go. Ah, this was falling somewhere. There's really cool things about if I'm working with this, and it is, I can able to top coat it again. Very good. The ribbon is good. Should I make it smaller on the top, the ribbon? Alright, do it again. I'm sorry, I'm just too meticulous and picky. That looks good. I feel the loop needs to be bigger though, you think? Now it's get me. It looks like that. Not on the sides, please. That looks good now?
Looks good.
Okay, good. Alright, so this smaller? The ribbon's smaller? I mean the loops is smaller? Okay, good. It fit the whole nails. Yeah, okay. Then we can add more. Yeah, so we can leave the chain like that, as you wish. And I'm adding more. And if you can do a longer with your crystal placement on that, you can absolutely do it as well. I would use teaser if you want adjusting the chain, so then that way you will not get frustrated if it doesn't go the way you want it. Just get the tweezers. Yep, so if you are recreated something similar like this, don't forget to tag us so then we can see your beautiful creations, and absolutely would love to feature you. There you go. One more, and then we'll be done. So if you want more, you can add more, you know, like this. You happy with this? Okay, we're gonna clear this one for 60 seconds.